If you want to learn how to use Zapier AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to let Zapier help you build workflows with AI, even if you're completely new to automation. This is great for beginners because instead of manually figuring out every app connection and every action step, Zapier Copilot can help guide you through the setup. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Zapier account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button. This is where Zapier lets you start making new automations. Go ahead and click Create. After that, choose Zap Workflows. This opens the area where you can build your automation from scratch or use AI assistants to speed things up. Now, at the top of the page, you should see Copilot. This is the AI helper built into Zapier, and this is the part that makes the whole process much easier. Click on Copilot, and you'll see a text box where you can describe what you want to automate in plain English. You do not need to know all the technical steps in advance. Just explain the result you want, and Zapier AI will help turn it into a workflow. For example, you could type something like, when someone fills out a Google form, summarize their request using AI and send it to Slack. That one sentence gives Zapier enough context to suggest the apps you need, the trigger you should use, and the actions that should follow. So instead of guessing what to connect, you can let Copilot help you choose the right tools and the right sequence. After you enter your prompt, Zapier will analyze it and start recommending the apps and steps for your automation. Review the suggestions carefully. It will usually show you what app should be used as the trigger, what app should handle the AI summary, and where the final message should be sent. This is one of the best parts of using Zapier AI because it saves time and removes a lot of the trial and error. Once you see the recommended setup, follow the prompts to create the workflow. Zapier will guide you through connecting your accounts, selecting the correct fields, and confirming each step. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust the wording in Copilot and try again. That makes it easy to refine your workflow until it does exactly what you want. After everything is connected, save and test the workflow. This is important because it lets you confirm that the form submission is being detected, the AI summary is being created correctly, and the message is being delivered to Slack without any issues. Once the test works, your automation is ready to run. And that's really all there is to it. The easiest way to use Zapier AI is to start with a simple goal. Let Copilot help you identify the apps and actions, and then build the workflow step by step. It's a fast and beginner-friendly way to create automations without needing advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.